Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Appreciate Yourself. Often it is very difficult to tell the age of a Japanese woman. This is because their skin care rituals and diet achieve a common goal, younger looking skin for longer. Besides keeping wrinkles and fine lines at bay, Japanese skincare products are also quite mild and go easy on harsh chemicals. Before start the video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell button for latest video. The skin brightening enzymes present in rice water makes it a key ingredient in Japanese and Korean beauty rituals. It is known to fade dark spots, blemishes and brighten up the complexion for a clear and smooth texture. Rich in antioxidants, safely be used to delay and reduce the appearance of aging signs on the skin. Soak 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice in water overnight. After the soaking process, put rice in a blender, adding the remaining water and get a thick pudding texture. Flax seeds hydrate the skin without making it greasy, which helps control oily skin and acne. Flax seeds gel make your skin bright and improve the complexion. This gel tightens the skin and smooth out fine lines. To make flax seeds gel, take a pan and add water and seeds to it. Bring to boil on medium flame. Make sure you keep stirring the ingredient. You will find the water turning into a gel. Turn off flame and stain the gel using a stainer. Let it cool and transfer to a container. You can store this gel in your refrigerator for a month. Another key ingredient for Japanese skincare is green tea. It has anti-inflammatory properties, can help reduce skin irritation, skin redness, swelling. Applying green tea to your skin can smooth minor cuts and sunburn too. Here I take some water to make green tea. Here is fermented rice paste. I take 2 to 3 tablespoons of that. Now I add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed gel. Add 2 tablespoons of green tea. And lastly, add 1 vitamin E capsule oil. Give it a good mix and the pack is ready. Apply on your face and neck and keep it for 10 minutes. Then wash with cold water. Use this mask for at least 3 to 4 days a week and get wrinkle-free, younger-looking skin. If this video is helpful for you, then please share with your friends and like and subscribe. Bye bye.